Today I show you how to use a glue gun. This is the glue gun from Parkside. That's the information for it. A glue gun is a device that heats up these glue sticks. This is a melting glue. You plug it into the power point. Depending on the country where you live, the power plug will be different, but this is the UK style, how we have it here. And I plug it in to the power point. So the glue stick is inserted, and if I want to remove it, I will show you now how to take it out. It's not really... Once the glue stick is inserted, you can't really remove it. There is also a warning on it that you're not supposed to remove it. So I inserted the glue stick. I will put now a part to show you how to insert the glue stick into this from a previous video. You have your glue stick, you insert it here, and then it goes into that hole there. See this thing? Pushes the glue stick inside of the machine until it's solid here, and now it's gonna melt it here. Okay, after you insert the glue stick and plug in the glue gun, and now it should slowly heat up this part here. This becomes hot, so be careful with this. You should be careful with this part here, it's gonna become hot. And it's always good to have an extension like this so you can reach the desk where you're working. Here I want to try to glue this part to some kind of plastic. Okay, so the glue stick is inserted and you will start to smell it a little bit. The glue smell will kind of be obvious. After a few minutes, when you think it's melted, you can press on this. It will push this glue stick further and make the melted glue come out. This will not come out unless the glue is melted inside there, because it's coming through a larger hole. The exit is from this small nozzle here. It's gonna have to be melted to be able to come out from there. So I keep pressing it to keep it really close to the edge there. This might take a few minutes, but I'm just rushing it now because I don't want to make this video too long. And you see the glue is coming out. And this is melted glue. And as you squeeze this, more of it comes out. And then you can apply it to the thing you want to glue. For example, here. And as I apply it, I press it again. Don't press too much, because then too much glue comes out. And you can also go left and right like this to add more glue to the surface like that. You also have to be pretty quick with it because the glue will get dry fast. So I'll try to put it on this. It's just a test now. It's not really anything useful. But you can see the glue worked. And it dries as soon as it's reaching room temperature, it's dry. Yeah, I want to show you also. So I have the glue stick in there and it's almost all the way in. And I want to show you how to insert the second glue. And this is a nice thing to keep it like this. So I will use the glue stick, and you see from here, it's coming further, it's going further and further. Look here on this side. It's going further and further until it can't push further. So it went all the way in, but if I want to use more, it's pretty simple. Take the next glue stick, put it in the same hole here, behind the original one, behind the first one. And now this device, when you press on it, I will put it a bit back so you see what happens. When you press on it, it will actually press on the original glue stick. And I have to push it a few times forward. And now when it has so still not there yet, keep pressing it in. And also now this is the important part, make sure the new glue stick actually goes in the hole. So now it went in the hole and you see it's catching on, goes pretty well. So you can continue to use the glue stick Like this, you can continue to use the new glue stick in series behind the original one. That's how it works. This is how you use the glue gun. You can glue pretty much anything, decorations, anything you like. This one doesn't really say which type of glue stick it needs, but it's the smaller style, the smaller size. There are bigger, thicker ones and smaller ones. This is the smaller size. When you're finished with it, make sure you unplug it. Make sure you unplug it when you're finished with it. And also, you don't need to remove the glue stick from here. And you might have some glue residue like this. This is on the outside of the cable. This is on the outside of the cable, so I can just remove it like that. But don't let this glue nozzle touch any wires, because it's hot. This nozzle is hot. You don't want it to melt the wires. You could clean it like this if you wanted to, but it's not really necessary. And this is ready for the next time. Next time when you want to use it, you plug it in, you wait. After about 5 minutes, you can start pressing this button and it will force the glue out. You see, still some of it comes out because the glue is still melted inside of the nozzle there. It's still melted. After it sits for a few minutes, it will solidify and then it will be ready to store. This is how to use glue sticks, the cleanest way to make things, decorations. Also, when the glue gets a little bit cooler, it changes the color a bit to not much transparent. It becomes the same as it was on the glue stick, like this type. And it's not perfect. It will not hold on really, really well, but it really depends on the surface. It will probably hold on to this surface really well here. But just because this surface wasn't hot when I put it there, it didn't really stick to it. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you use the glue gun in the best way, most efficient way. Thanks for watching.